If you're looking to get into van life, we've got the best advice for you from the people who have done it themselves. Over the past year, we've interviewed many Vanlifers and have asked them this question: what advice do you have for new Vanlifers? Here is Dan and Penelope with their Ford Transit conversion.
I think the best thing is maybe rent. Try it for a week or so.
I would
we didn't do that because I think we
were naive, but
we knew that we would love it. No?
But that's exactly what we're
just like,
recommending not to do.
We're skills.
Don't assume you'll like it. Try it first. I have colleagues that didn't enjoy it that much. They were like, oh, it's a bit a trouble finding the water, making sure you have enough gas to be working your heater overnight, emptying your toilet, where to find spots that are fine, that you won't be waking up at night. There's a lot of mental concerns at start, but they come out after you get used to it. The other thing is, make sure that you do like a budget, even do your research. So we did pretty much an Excel file that had everything we think or thought we would need, plus added a bit of buffer. We never expected to spend that much money on screws, over like $500 in screws, and finding the right ones and making sure and having the assortment and everything. Make sure to have everything on there first. Do like the full build in your head, everything that it costs, because you might get surprises and you don't want to run out of cash. It's not that easy to borrow money from the banks for a van. So you want to make sure that you've done everything. So if there's something later that you can cheap out, you know ahead of time.
Hi there, we are a.van.de-Groot. Our van's name is Gertie. My name is Lisa.
And I'm Jamie.
Definitely do your research. Join groups that are embracing the lifestyle. I remember we started looking into tiny homes, and I knew in the back of my mind that I honestly didn't feel comfortable with a pickup truck and pulling a tiny home. I wanted to be inside our home. But just to give the benefit of the doubt, we rented through Airbnb some tiny homes. We went and stayed in it, and they had different ones. You had to climb up the ladder to get to bed. But I had to remind them, I said, as we get older, these steps will not be good for us, right?
Loft
safety.
beds are not a good idea. No.
Not for us.
No, not for anybody. No.
Yeah. So we did that. We did the research, and then we realized, okay, definitely the tiny home on wheels is not what we really want. And so then we started looking for people with vans, messaging, see if we can come see what their vans look like. And it was after about seeing the second van, we're just like, okay, no, we can do this. So definitely do your research.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes, that's for sure. Because you'll make a lot of them. Yep.
And as I say, the community, they're so supportive out there, and any questions, just reach out, and you'll find somebody who is willing to spend the time with you and guiding you through it even, so.
Just do it, just try it.
Hey guys, my name is Brittany. This is my 1988 Dodge Ram Road Trek, the Cream Dream. I guess the best advice would be, van life isn't for everyone. Some people like the idea of it, and then they move into it and start traveling, and they're like, oh, you know what, this isn't for me. And I guess just feel it out. Maybe if they have the opportunity to, rent a van or rent, a little camper, try it out first. It's not for everyone. You're either gonna love or hate it.
Hi, I'm Carly, this is Kyle, this is Hazel, and this is our 2016 Ford Transit.
Believe in yourself.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all intimidating. It's not easy to do. Nothing's square, nothing's level, but...
There's so many online resources now, and there's so many people willing to help that it doesn't matter what skill set you have. I really feel like you'll be able to tackle anything.
I'm sure you'll surprise yourself too,
Yeah.
because there's a lot of things in here I never thought I could do.
Yeah.
And it might not have worked the first or second or third time, but eventually we got it done. And I feel like it really pushes you to be more creative, and to
believe in your abilities.
Yeah, get outside of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, I'm Eric. This is my Sprinter. It's a 2015 144 wheel length. If someone wants to start van life, they just need to go ahead and start. Like, stop planning. Just, don't dream about it anymore. Just find a van. Find something that you are comfortable buying and just start.
If you already live in a van, let us know your advice in the comments below. And if you're looking to get into van life, let us know about your journey in starting. We would love to hear it. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.